Hello viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel. Students, this is the previous year question of joint entrance examination. So see the video completely and share this video to your friends. If you like this video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the upcoming videos. So see the question. Let ABC belongs to R if fx equal to x square plus bx plus c such that a plus b plus c equal to 3 and f of x plus y equal to fx plus fy minus xy for all xy belongs to R, then find the value of sum n equal to 1 to 10 fn. The four options are 165, 190, 220, 255 and 330. So how to solve this question? First, if you see that if we put the value x equal to 1, then we can get 1 1, so a plus b plus c, and in this question given that a plus b plus c equal to 3. Okay, next we need to find the value of f2. So what is the value of f2? See, f of x plus y equal to fx plus fy plus xy. So if we put x equal to 1 and y equal to 1, then we can write it as f1 plus 1. Then we can write it as f1 plus f1 plus xy means 1 into 1, so that is equal to 1. Now f1, the value of f1 is 3 plus 3 plus 1, so 6 plus 1 equal to 7. Done. Next we put the value f3. What is the value of f3? f3 means we can write it as 2 plus 1. Since 2 and 1, the value of f2 and f1 is given, so we can write it as 2 plus 1, and using this function we can write f2 plus f1 plus xy means 2 into 1 equal to 2. So f2 equal to 7, f1 equal to 3, 7 plus 3 equal to 10, 10 plus 2 equal to 12. Okay, done. Next f4. f4 means we can write it as 3 plus 1 or 2 plus 2. Okay, so if we write 3 plus 1, so f3 plus f1 plus xy means 3. Now f3 equal to 12 plus 1 13 plus 3 16. Done. Also the next term, see f5. f5 means 4 plus 1. We can write it directly f4 plus 1, and f4 means 16. F 1 means 3, 16 plus 3 19, 19 plus 4 25, sorry 19 plus 4 equal to 23. Now check, 3 plus 4 equal to 7, 3 plus 4 equal to 7, 12 plus 4 equal to 16, and between their gaps 7 plus 5 equal to 12, 16 plus 7 equal to 23. So the gaps are different. Okay, so we cannot identify the perfect value, else we can find the value 1 2 3 4 5 is everything. So what is the short term? What is the short term? Because this is the lengthy process. So short term is, I can solve this question again. I just tell you what is the another process to find the perfect values of each of the term. Now the second process is, see f1 equal to 3. Okay, f2 means 1 plus 1, so f1 plus f1 plus 1 into 1 1. We can write f1 plus f1 plus 1. That means here we get 2f1 plus 1. Okay, next term f3. f3 means f2 plus f1 plus 2, and again f2 means, see, 2f1 plus 1 plus f1 plus 2. Okay, so we get 2f1 plus f1, so 3f1 plus 3. Next f4. f4 means, see, f3 plus f1 plus 3. Now f3 means 3f1 plus 3, so we can write it as 3f1 plus 3 plus of f1 plus 3. Therefore the value of this is 3 plus 1 equal to 4f1 plus 6. Okay, another term, you can write the last term, not last term, it is the last factor, and we just analyze the next terms. So f5 means f4 plus f1 plus 4. f4 means 4f1 plus 6, so we can write it as f4f1 plus 6 plus f1 plus 4, which is equal to 5f1 plus 10. Okay, so the complete series, now we can analyze the complete series. So what is the complete series? Sum of fn where n equal to 1 to 10. Okay, see, f1 means, we can write first f1, next f2 means 2f1 plus 1, next f3 means 3f1 plus 3, f4 means 4f1 plus 6, f5 means 5f1 plus 10, and so on. Therefore f1 plus 2f1 plus 3f1 plus 4f1, so up to 10th term we can write it as f1 into 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 10. Okay, plus, now the next term 1 plus 3 plus 6 plus 10. So see, see, the first term is 1, second term is 3, third term is 6. So if we sum up all of the terms, we will get 165. Okay, you can add this manually, or you can find the terms that, see, the first term is 1, second term is 3, third term is 6. So this is the addition, multiplication both, so we cannot find any function to calculate this. So just add 1 plus 3 plus 6 plus 10 plus 15, the next time is 21, next time is 28, so on. Now see, 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 10, what is the value of this? We know that the formula n into n plus 1 by 2. The value of n equal to 10, so 10 into 11 by 2, that is equal to 55. So 55 into 3, 55 into 3, so 55 into 3 means 165, 165 plus 165, so we get 330. So we get 330. This is the correct answer. Hence the solution of this question is 330. So if we find manual values of f1, f2, f3, f4, f5, so we can continue all of the terms, but since this is MCQ question, so we have to try to find a perfect function to calculate this. So this is the full video. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section, and if you like this video, subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends. So see you to the next video. Have a nice day.